Hi everyone! Happy Thrifty Thursday! I did some thrift store shopping. So I saw a girl on Instagram. Her name is Pink Jasmine. And she had some Easter eggs and she like Mod Podged on some thrifted Disney books. Oh my gosh, so cute. So I wanted to create that. So I went looking for Disney books. Oh my gosh, it was like Mission Impossible. I went to like 4 or 5 different thrift stores, I don't know, before I found some books. So let me show you what I got. For $1, I found this really pretty little hymn book that I just thought was so tiny and cute. So I got that one. I did find a Disney Pictionary that I don't have. So hopefully all the pieces are in here. But I think this was like $4. Yeah, it was like $4. So hopefully everything's here that I can go ahead and play with the family. I don't like how much tape they put on here. Like, oh my gosh, they put so much tape on here. It's going to be awful to try to get it off. And then my one random little item was this little like Coca-Cola list that I thought was so cute. They charged me $1 for that, when all the other ones were like 50 cents, but whatever, I still wanted it. $1.50 for a Jungle Book. Although I think all these images are going to be too big, yeah, for my idea. Oh, look at it. That's a nice one of Shere Khan there. Yeah, I think that's going to be too big. Oh, I like that one. So, I don't know. What if it was Disney, I just threw it in the cart because they were going to be closing soon, so I didn't get to like flip through them. So I just was like, Disney, let's go. $1 for Aladdin. Oh, look at the little boo paper. Oh, I love that picture right there, but that's going to be too big for what I want. I need like small little Disney characters that can fit on an egg. Well, I don't think this one's going to work out for me either. I was talking with a couple of different crafty friends, and we were talking about how we can never find little golden books. So I found this one. I just threw it in the cart. I didn't even look at it either. It's kind of cute, like little vintage one. I really want to do a junk journal out of a golden book. So instead of using like a Disney one, I figured this one would be a better one to practice on. There was, look at the golden book is different. It's a different size, which I didn't even know that they came in this large size. So there's a Frozen one. Not sure if there's going to be any small enough images from this one either. But I do have Disney pictures with Anna and Elsa that I thought I can like cut up and use for maybe scrapbooking. So that's why I got that one. Oh my gosh, I know I have this book somewhere in my stash from when I was a kid. And when I saw it, I was like, I just need to buy it. It's only $1. Like, I remember reading this one. So that was just like kid flashback that I bought that one. And then here is a Winnie the Pooh book. Oh, it's an interactive. Oh, that's cool. Like I said, I didn't flip through these in the store. So, again, these pages are too thick that I'm not going to be able to glue them onto an egg. That is really cute, though. Oh, so it's a little flip book. That is really cute. This one of Walt Disney for $1. I'm like, yes, please. Like, I love reading on like Walt Disney or just like Disneyland history or Disney history stuff. And look, anything with like an inscription on it, like written on, I am just like a sucker for. So I had to get that one. And then we have, oh, this has stickers. I hope they're in there. Ooh, they are. So we have Star Wars. And then Sunny Boy's favorite Disney character is Peter Pan. And then this is Jake and the Neverland Pirates. Oh, this one's stickers too. Nice. So I'm hoping that, oh, well, there's a little Pan sticker. Oh, I didn't even think about that. Instead of using Disney books, I could use my stickers. Duh. I'm such a dork. I should have thought about that. But, yeah, love this book. So, got that one. I think that was it from that store. So then at the other thrift store, it's so funny. I have eggs in my stash that are wood that I can paint. But while I was at this thrift store, like, look, these are already like decorated little like decoupaged eggs. So I'm like, that will be perfect. I just have to glue the characters on here. So I got that one. These like little glitter eggs, I'm not really fond of. But all these other eggs right here, I could definitely use. That was $3 for all of those. So minus the glitter ones I probably won't even keep. Like, you can tell that this was pink at some point. This, I don't know if it's even like a green or a blue, but yeah, I don't like those. So I'm not going to be keeping those. And then these were $2 and they're like little swans. So I just thought that was really cute. So I think I got 2 boxes of these. Yeah, I did. And then like oh my gosh, the one I couldn't believe that I found. Okay, you guys know I'm a sucker for a mystery box. Look, $9. And then I got another one that was $20. So we are going to open these up and see what I got. Okay, so for $9, this one I did like flip around, which I don't want to do it now because I did take the tape off. I was looking at it and you can kind of see like they're individually bagged and it looked like a lot of glass beads. So, oh yeah, and I forgot I was able to see these right here. I could tell that there was like blue flower beads in there also. Yes, love those. Okay, I think these are all glass beads. So this, I think, was worth it. Okay, there's little sticks in here. So we got blue. We have green. Does this have a price on it? So whoever paid $2.30 for this one. And then I like how it's all like individual. Oh, look, there's like little leaves in here. So this is another green section. That's more green. Oh, those are tiny little seed beads. There's like a little glass like variety bag. That's more seed beads. I like this one with the moon and the stars. So this is like a red. Oh, these are like orange. And a couple of pinks, which I'm doing a spring swap. So these like lighter colors I could definitely use. So that's like some purples and blues in there. Oh, these are like spacers. I can never have enough spacers. There's some purple down there, some blue. Oh, this is like that tiger eye. So it's got like a little gold glitter to it. Ooh, was that $10? Oh, that is way too expensive. I would not have spent $10 on that. We have some more little like pearls. Let's see, this is like yellow. Oh, some more orange. Save that for Halloween. Some blue, some black. Let's see, this one has a price tag. $2.50. Ooh, these were expensive. Oh, browns. I want to do like a ew, $3. That's a lot. Coffee. Oh, look, this is like a little swirly. Oh, $8. Wow, somebody spent a lot of money on these. I am like way too cheap. I would not spend $8. $3.50 for these green ones. And look, it's still sealed. Wow, somebody spent a lot of money on this. Okay, I'm happy that I bought this. I think it's well worth the money for the prices that are in here. And like, I will definitely like love and treasure this and make some items with this. So whoever destashed it, it went to a good home. I will definitely use and take care of this stuff. $9, I think that was a good deal. So my next box right here is $20. Now on this one, I'm not sure if I got a good deal on. That one, I was pretty sure I was getting a good deal because there's a lot of glass. But the thing that suckered me in was I saw right here these candy canes. And that's honestly what suckered me into buying this. This was another one that was all taped up. $20 for this box. Let's open it on up. Well, it's a good little box, so that's a plus right there. So I saw these mini little candy canes. I'm like, oh my gosh, I want those. So we got one. Oh, these are little beads. $1.50 originally for those. I think these might be plastic, not glass. So there's another item there. Oh, I don't think I have any beads like this size. Like, those are huge. It's like a rock. That's really, really big. Oh, this is a tiki guy. Look at his face. Oh, that is cool. I definitely don't have anything like that in my stash. Oh, here's like another like little face. I think this one's like glass or rock. I'm not sure. So those are cool. So there's that. This was on sale for $1.50. It's just different size silver beads. Some seed beads. Some more seed beads. Looks like this is going to be a lot of seed beads. Yeah, look, here's some more. I don't use seed beads a whole lot. These are really nice. I think these match with this, but this is a smaller size. Can I open this? Nope, that's taped. Okay. More seed beads. Some pink tube beads. Those are pretty. This looks like something I'd buy off of Temu. So this is a bag of glass beads. It just says it's 100 grams. That one's a plus. What is this? Wow, look, Michael's $3. 2 yards. How do you use this? Because it's like already like woven together. I don't know. We'll have to look into that. Oh, these are pretty. Wow. I wish the rest of the packaging was on here. I would have kept that. Look, 15 cents. That's really pretty. So there's those. This is a lot of seed beads. Okay, so far, I don't feel like this was worth $20 for all the seed beads. Like, this is not something that I would have, like, looked out for and bought. There's some, like, little pearls in here. I don't know if these are real pearls or not. I have no idea. But there's some in there. Look, it's like old film containers. That's what it looks like to me. Oh, look, here's another one of those. Like little circly ones. Oh, but the top packaging is gone again. Here's another one of those like red chain things. I don't know how to use this, so I'm gonna have to look that up. Oh, there's like sequins in there. Okay, more seed beads. Oh, this I could definitely use, and the hole looks large enough that I could put it on like Pokie tools and beadable pins. So I definitely like that one. Oh, I like this one too. Same thing. I think I could put on Pokie tools. There's some silver wire. Ooh, $12 for that. That's a lot. And it looks kind of like old. It doesn't look like nice and new. More seed beads. Some little wood spools. That's cute. I can use those. Okay, more seed beads. Yeah. I made a mistake on this one. Too many little seed beads. 50 cents for these. Yeah, this is a ton of seed beads in here. Oh, these are nice. I could definitely use these as little spacers. I like that it has a size. That's 3mm. Oh, here's some beads. Some more beads. I definitely want to save like the packaging on these. I think the packaging is so like old and cool. Oh, these are a good size. I think I might be able to fit those on Pokie tools too. More seed beads. More seed beads. Seed beads. Those are cool. They're like little flowers. Again, I wouldn't have bought those. 39 cents. Oh, I'm sorry, not even in frame. 39 cents for those. I wouldn't have bought those. Some gold sequins. Look, 60 cents. Yeah, the rest of this is like sequins. I mean, I wouldn't have bought these. I have enough sequins in my stash. And more seed beads. And some large seed beads that were $1.19. There's a lot of stuff in here, don't get me wrong, but I don't know, for 20 bucks, it's just stuff that I'm not like really thrilled about, you know, like I wouldn't have gone out and specifically bought like so many different seed beads. So, but I have them now, so now I gotta figure out what to make with all of them. Oh, there's like a red, white, and blue mix right there. So that's the little haul for today. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll definitely do a video on like that little like decoupage egg because I just think it's so cute. Like I said, I'm pretty sure her name is Pink Jasmine on Instagram, so you guys can go and like check her out. But all right, we'll see you later. Bye guys.